Okay, kids, so we're back. 3U assignment, chapter 4, question 9. What happens to an object's kinetic energy when it is speed doubles or triples? We'll do one of them, okay? So if you take a look at this, let's say you've got an object, and let's say its kinetic energy in a particular situation is equal to half its mass times the speed squared. So this is situation number 1. Now, we have situation number 2, where the object has a new speed, not V1, but V2. Okay, we're just giving names to stuff. So this is situation number 2. Now, how are situation number 1 and number 2 connected? What is linking them? Well, what is linking them is the fact, well, let's pick one, that the second speed is 3 times the first speed. So what have I done here? I've come up with an equation that shows us a connection between kinetic energy and speed in the first situation. Come up with an equation that shows us the connection between kinetic energy and the speed in the second situation. And then I've come up with an equation that links them. This is a really good way to work on these questions. Come up with an equation for situation 1, come up with an equation for situation 2, come up with a linking equation. Very good strategy. So now we're going to continue with this. We know that V2 is 3 times V1. We know that to be true. So then what I can do is I can square the 3, right? And it gives me 9. Square the V1, and it gives me V1 squared. So all of these, that's a long product. There's the half, there's the m, there's the 9, there's V1 squared. They're all being multiplied by each other, right? So that means it doesn't matter what order you multiply things in. You should all know that. 3 times 2 is the same as 2 times 3. So I can arrange that in any way I want. So I'm going to arrange it like this. That's completely legal. So what have I proved here? Well, I proved that EK2 is that. Kinetic energy in the second situation is that. But if you take a look at what's written in blue, that is nothing more and nothing less than the first kinetic energy. So I've proved to you that by tripling the speed, you increase the kinetic energy by 9 times. Is this okay? We don't give a lot of questions like this in your first physics course. But as you move into more and more physics courses, you'll have questions like this where there's no numbers to substitute. It's just logic and mathematical reasoning, and you have to set up equations and linking equations and stuff like that. I hope this helped. Thank you. Have a nice day.